In today's video, I want to talk to you about business overall so you can look at businesses that are potential clients from the standpoint of what goes into making one of these businesses work. And you can see then that as a designer with a design business service, we are providing them just one other component of what their business needs. So you can see that they're willing to make investments and you just have to realize and be willing to charge the right prices. So there are two types of businesses. There's the service-based business, and then there is the product-based business. Service-based business could be like a consultant. They do a service to their own clients, and they get exchanged for that. There's no physical products. There's no digital products involved. It's all service. So what they need to do for an upfront investment to get these businesses started, they have to have equipment, they have to have computers, they have to have employees, they have to have a space to service their clients themselves. So when they are looking for a branding, or they're looking for a website, or they're looking for marketing material, they already have put in thousands of dollars, probably almost tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars to set up and buy all the equipment they need. So getting a branding, getting a marketing assets, getting a website is just another thing they need to invest in. So as an example, if they were to go to Apple to buy computers, they're not going to get discounts, or they're not going to be trying to find a $100 computer. They know it's going to be a minimum of about $2,000 to invest in a computer. So that's the same thing with branding or with marketing assets or a website. It's not wrong to say this is a multi-$1,000 service, because they are already in this frame of mind. They have to invest in their business. They're putting in hundreds of thousands of dollars sometimes, like I said, or tens of thousands of dollars. So adding on a design service to that investment is not going to break their bank. It's another investment they need to make in their specific business. You go to the side of product-based businesses, which is what I work with a lot through e-commerce businesses, and they have so much upfront investment. They have to pay and find the manufacturers that produce the products. They have to pay the people who are supplying the boxes and the labels, and then they have to ship it, and they have storage fees, and they have, sometimes if they're selling on Amazon, they will have fees specifically to Amazon, and then they have accounting, and they have all these different compartments that go into being a business owner. So when you see a business owner who's saying, oh, well, I'm only willing to pay $50 for a logo, when that is the forward-facing front, that is the identity that is going to represent them for years to come, that is somebody who is just they're not thinking strategically about their brand, they're about their business, because they know they're not gonna be able to pay only $5 to get all of their inventory that they're selling. So you have to realize they are investing normally for e-commerce businesses well over $50,000 to get products started. So adding on another $5,000 for branding is nothing in the overall scheme of things, and it's a very, very important service. Now, some businesses, they only care about just, putting a stamp on something and making it look pretty as a forward-facing. But what they don't realize is a brand is the representation of who they are. And there's so many components that go into a business that we don't handle as designers, but it's all part of the culture. And it really depends on how deep you want to go into, if you want to be doing the strategy with them, or you just want to do the design, which I know a lot of designers, they don't want to touch the strategy. But they all fit together. And that's what I really want this video for you to understand, is that as a design business owner, you are an investment that every client will be willing to make if they understand that it is a vital thing for their business to succeed. So remember, you need to know why they want, what are they trying to do in their business? What are their goals? And help every one of your clients understand that you are on their team. You're there to help grow their business. All this money that they've invested in either all the equipment or the products. If they don't have the right branding, it's going to be much harder for them to market that. If they don't have the right website, if they don't have the right packaging, if they don't have the right marketing materials that are designed by you. So all of these points are so vital for their success. So just remember that. Remember, they're willing to invest. You have to have the right mentality, and you have to communicate that mentality to your potential clients. So thank you very much for being here. I am happy to have you in my For the Creatives community, and I look forward to seeing you next time. And until then, keep creating.